In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Cyberghost VPN on Windows. So if you have a Windows, be it Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, or any kind of Windows, and you want to be able to use the Cyberghost VPN on your Windows, so pay close attention because that's what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. So the first thing we are going to do right now is to make sure you already have an account. If you don't have an account, I'm going to leave the link to Cyberghost VPN in the description of this video. Make sure you use the link because it is a discount link, which means that if you use the link in the description, you're going to be getting a massive discount on your purchase. So make sure you use the link in the description. Once you click the link, you'll get to this page right here. So what you do first is you have to click on get it now. So these are the steps we are taking so that we can successfully use CyberGhost VPN on Windows. So once you click it, you get to this page right here. As you can see, they have the 1 month plan, they have the 2 years plan, they also have the 6 month plan. So whichever one works for you, make sure you use any of these ones. So once you've chosen your plan, then you click on the continue to checkout page, which is actually a very simple process, and then you have your checkout page right here. Then what you do next is you just put in your, if you want to use a credit card or a debit card, it works well. I use the debit card, and I'm going to be logging into my account very shortly to show you exactly how the CyberGhost VPN works. So what we are going to do right now, just put in your email and then your card details, and then you just simply go here and then click on the subscribe. At the same time, if you're using PayPal or Bitcoin, you can use any one of these. It actually works very well. So once you've subscribed, you then have an account with them. Then you can now create an account with them. So what we're going to do next is, right now I'm going to log into my own account because I'm assuming that you already have an account with them, because if you follow the process I've said, you should have an account. Right now I'm just going to click here my account, and now I'm going to try to log into my account right here. Okay guys, now that I'm logged into my account, as you can see, this is actually my account right here. So what you're going to do next, if you want to successfully use the CyberGhost VPN on Windows, you're simply going to go down here to this place called the download hub. You're going to come to the download hub, and then you're going to see the CyberGhost for Windows. Now pay close attention. There we have the CyberGhost for Mac OS. We also have other CyberGhost VPN for different. We also have for Android and iOS. But what you want to do is to come to this one where it says CyberGhost VPN for Windows, and then you simply click on the download, and then it's going to download into your system, and then you just install it. It's a very simple process. I already have mine installed, so I'm going to go into my CyberGhost VPN right now to show you that I have mine installed, and we're going to be checking it out. Guys, the link to CyberGhost VPN is in the description of this video. If you're going to sign up, make sure you use the link in the description because it's going to give you a massive discount. So what we are going to do right now, as you can see, this is actually my account. As you can see right here, it says here my account because it's mine. So what we're going to do is that you're going to choose any country you want. Guys, they have a lot of countries you can change your location to. You can hide your location and change your IP address. This is actually very amazing. They also have Hong Kong, they have a lot, Iceland, they have India, they have Japan, and a lot of countries right here. So guys, we are going to just test it out. So you're going to see this is the CyberGhost VPN for Windows I was telling you about, that you have to install. So this is it. So right now we are just going to check it out to see if it works. So I'm just going to click on Romania, as you can see right now. Then I'm going to click on this power button right here. So it's connecting. As you can see, it's connecting. We just give it a little bit of seconds. Guys, so as you can see right now, we've actually connected, and it says here we're in Bucharest, Romania, which is very good. So we are going to actually check if we are in Bucharest, Romania, to see if the VPN for Windows actually works. So pay close attention. So we're just going to minimize this here, and then we're going to come here, and then we're going to just type my location. Guys, as you can see right here, I'm not sure where this is, so I'm just going to copy it right here. Going to copy it, and I'm going to search for it right here. It's loading. Yes, as you can see, they said this Lassi is a city in Romania, so which means the VPN actually works, because the VPN says we are actually in Romania. So as you can see right now, the VPN actually works. The link to Cyberghost VPN is going to be in the description of this video. Make sure you use the link in the description to sign up. So guys, I believe I've helped you get the Cyberghost VPN for Windows. Guys, kindly give this video a like and subscribe if you got any value from this video, because that will be it for this video.